In this video lecture, let us look at the sample and hold circuit using op-amp. So, sample and hold circuit. What the circuit does is it samples the input signal and holds on to its last sampled value until the input is sampled again. So, it has to retain to that particular value. This type of circuit is useful in analog to digital systems where sample and hold circuit is a part of the converter. Okay, let us look at the circuit. See, what it has is an N-channel E-MOSFET. Okay, you find that the circuit has a N-channel E-MOSFET. So this E-MOSFET will work as a switch. This is being controlled by the control voltage, say VC. Okay, the capacitor, what it does is just stores the charge. Analog signal that needs to be sampled is fed in through this non-inverting amplifier, okay, or a voltage follower, because you see the uh, gain is unity. Okay, it is fed through the op-amp to the drain of the MOSFET, and the control voltage is applied to the gate. So whenever the VC is positive, your E-MOSFET is turned on. So whenever the MOSFET is turned on, the capacitor will charge to the instantaneous value of the input. This input Vi, so this input Vi, which is now appearing across the capacitor, will appear across the output as well, because this again is A2 is also a voltage follower circuit. So whatever you fed in as an input will be the one that you will get in as the output. So during VC on, okay, you find that uh, whatever was the input during this period is being obtained as the output. Okay, now what if suppose your VC is 0? Okay, in the next phase, when VC is made 0, that time the MOSFET is turned off. When the MOSFET is off, the capacitor will face a high input impedance, which means it will not be able to discharge. Okay, this side also it cannot go, this side also it cannot go. So what the capacitor will do is it will hold on to the voltage. Okay, so during this time when your VC is 0, whatever was the value that was in the capacitor is charged to the value of the instantaneous value of the input. So it will retain the value what was found just at that instant previous to the VC being turned 0. So it will retain this value until again VC is turned on high. Once VC is turned on, then the input will be you will have the MOSFET turned on. If the MOSFET is turned on, whatever is the input will be coming across the capacitor to charge the capacitor. Okay, so whenever VC is on or VC is high, during those time you will have the input coming across the output, and whenever your VC is off, the capacitor will hold on to the value. So this is what is a sample during the VC on, sample during VC off, you hold it. Okay, so you have the two periods, the sample period and the hold period. So sample period is the time period when your VC is same as V in, and the hold period is when your VC is said to be a constant, meaning constant in the sense holding on to the value that was sampled last. So this is about the operation of sample and the hold circuit. Thank you.